Dopamine is often misunderstood as a pleasure chemical, but biologically it is a motivation and prediction signal. In both animals and humans, dopamine spikes before an action, not after. It rises during anticipation, when the brain calculates that a behavior might lead to food, safety, mating, or success. Once the outcome arrives, dopamine activity drops. The system is designed for closure. In wild animals, this loop is naturally constrained. A hunt has a beginning, middle, and end. The effort is high, the risk is real, and the reward is finite. A predator may stalk for hours, burn enormous energy, and either succeed or fail. But once the event ends, the dopamine cycle resolves. The animal eats, rests, and returns to baseline. There is no mechanism in nature that allows infinite anticipation without completion. Humans, however, have engineered supernormal stimuli, artificial triggers that produce dopamine signals far stronger and more frequent than anything found in evolutionary history. Ultra-processed foods concentrate sugar and fat beyond natural ratios. Social media offers endless novelty with no physical effort. Pornography provides infinite sexual cues without courtship or bonding. These stimuli repeatedly activate dopamine without requiring resolution, trapping the brain in a constant state of wanting. This is not a moral failure or lack of discipline. Neuroscience shows that dopamine neurons adapt to patterns, not intentions. When anticipation is repeatedly triggered without a meaningful endpoint, the brain increases craving while reducing satisfaction. This is why the first few bites, clicks, or minutes feel powerful, and everything afterward feels dull yet compulsive. The system was never designed for infinite access. Animal studies make this distinction clear. In laboratory settings, rats and primates given direct access to reward levers, food pellets, electrical stimulation, or sugar water, will binge to the point of harm. But these behaviors do not occur in natural environments. In the wild, effort, scarcity, and consequence regulate dopamine automatically. When animals return to natural conditions, their reward systems stabilize. Humans, however, now live permanently inside an artificial lab. Another key difference is sensory saturation. Animals experience novelty in slow, meaningful doses. New territory, new scents, real threats. Humans experience hundreds of micro-novelties per hour. Each notification, video, or image triggers a prediction error. Maybe this one matters, causing dopamine release. Over time, the nervous system becomes overstimulated yet underfulfilled, leading to anxiety, restlessness, and addiction-like behavior. Animals do not get addicted in nature because dopamine evolved to guide survival, not to be harvested endlessly. When the biological purpose of a behavior is fulfilled, the signal turns off. Humans struggle because modern environments sever the link between effort and reward. The brain keeps chasing a payoff that never fully arrives. In short, animals stop because their dopamine loop's complete. Humans struggle because modern life is an open loop by design.